Another exciting night home for Evie Fry.
Just on my way out, actually. I found the piece of Eden.
What's this one going to do, Heal the sick? Deflect bullets? Control the populace?
They're dangerous objects, Jacob, especially in Templar hands.
You sound exactly like Father.
If only. Lucy Thorne is expecting a shipment tonight. She's Starrick's expert in the occult. I'm nearly certain she is receiving the piece of Eden Sir David Brewster mentioned.
Sounds like fun. Mind if I join you?
Promise you will stick to the mission.
I swear.
Izdao se nešto pali malo frame-ove zbog snimanja, ali dobro, nije ništa strašno.
The contents of that box are worth more than your life and those of your entire family. Do you understand?
Yes, Miss Thorne.
Careful there! And double the guard on that cart!
Now, Miss Thorne, there's the matter of some papers for Mr. Starrick. If you'll just come this way.
Very well, but make it quick.
Whatever it is she's after, it's in that chest.
There are gunmen on the rooftops.
Can you dispose of them before I reach the cart?
I was hoping for a challenge.
Srpski, čas tražimo tu škrinju.
Better check it out. I'm going to cut you in two. There you are.
Da vidim. Ovo si, brate.
Did you find it?
Actually.
There he is!
I think it's best we leave.
What did you do?
It's hardly the time for questions!
Whoa! Come on!
I'm coming over and treat you
Could you drive a little more carefully? You're endangering the documents!
Oh! Good documents! Perhaps you'd rather I just stop right here! Wait till you can't hit my sister!
Stop here!
Think you can get away? Whoa, now. If you really want to fight, come over that can dodge bullets, too!
Papers, Jacob! Papers, Jacob! Documents research! Jacob!
Let's go.
Then where's your piece of Eden?
Get us out of this and I might find out! I need more ammunition!
Here!
Chodź.
My sister will give you a walloping!
Keep moving. Easy. Easy.
Really want to fight?
Jacob!
Supposed to do with papers!
Read them! Only we had the time!
Chodź.
Who's a good horse? You are. Whoa, easy. That's the way.
You're going to have to jump!
What about the chest?
Leave it! Jump! Now!
Well, that was fun. Thanks for the invitation.
Let's do it again.
Damn it.
Dobra, Max, może tu knihu. Na tu misiju nemam vremena za još jednu kao misiju. Ako ovo još nije gotovo.
We fixed up the train for you. Lick of paint, new rugs from Camden Loch, and my wee sister, the seamstress, did a discount on the curtains.
About to knock some sense into people.
Seems a letter has come for Jacob.
Možda mogu dobijem nekog. Dobra, nećeš uvijek.
These past few days when I was doing my round, some pamphlet starts following me. Never spoken to him. Oh, he's up to no good.
Tell you what,
And you
do
do
your
without
rounds
the
as
price.
usual. If he appears, I'll keep an eye on him. When we return, put him into the train.
Aye, all right.
Just in passing. I think you should talk about it.
Jeszcze macie łaski daleko, więc jedynie mogę pobrać tam stygnie.
Agnes, take care. There's a gang out looking for you.
Ugh, not at all. Just one glaikit laddie following me.
You certain?
Certain as can be.
saw a man get pinked over a locket he found in the mud.
Was it even a nice locket? Bunch of savages.
Does it matter? This...
There he is, the rascal.
Treba pratim ovoga.
Are you hiding from someone?
Watch where you're bloody going.
Oh, so sorry, miss.
That's missus to you, you great oaf. What's that man doing, Mum?
You damn pillock. Sorry, but that woman's from an important gang.
Gang? What gang's that?
I think it's in a train.
Sounds like the bastards what beat old Kaylock. Alert the lads on the rooftops. We'll take her out.
She's right there. Look at the ninny following her about. There she is! Take her out! Get down!
To się zaruszy.
Who's that idiot following us?
Take on her! She's right there!
What? What's gone through the pockets?
Nedmięty by.
Agnes, are you all right, dear?
Of course I am. Why wouldn't I be?
There's a whole gang out to get you.
No, some idiot can't even follow me proper.
No, they're dangerous. There might be an ambush in the station.
Tinny be daft.
I must get to the station before Agnes does.
Kuda sad? Aha. Ima neki otvoreni prozor.
Any news? Fire! That's that then? Now, what's happening with the fellow who's following Agnes?
Another bot.
Someone's up to no good.
Who are you?
Nigel Bumble.
Why were you following us?
I want to join your gang.
Ah, for Christ's sake, he knows who we are now. All right, laddie. I can use you to tidy up the train a bit, if you didn't mind getting dirty.
Really? Terrific. You won't regret it, miss.
It bears the Templar Grandmaster's name.
About time for a visit to the doctor.
I don't see that cure arriving anytime soon.
And what exactly will you be doing, might I ask?
You know very well. Tracking down the Piece of Eden.
Enjoy your studies. I'll be out killing Templars.
Keep a sharp eye out, lads. Someone's targeting our network. The distillery might be next.
This will complicate things.
Wow. Fight. Here is
Have you tried it? The syrup of it.
Are you daft?
You don't know what you're missing.
That poison will kill you.
Someone take care of this! How's about finish him off and we'll go for a drink! Fucking knock off!
You should not go about frightening respectable gentlemen, young man.
I didn't realize snooping around was considered gentlemanly.
Snooping? Sir, I assure you.
Keep vigilant.
Quick, inside.
That was too close a call. You, young man, gave me quite a fright. I thought you were one of them. But I realize now why you're here. Same reason I am, I imagine.
I imagine?
You should see this. Rather impressive contraption, wouldn't you say?
Ako se ne varam, ovo bi trebao da bude ovaj Charles Darwin.
Stramonium, or devil's snare as it is commonly called, it goes into the syrup. And opium, no less. Revolting. Absolutely sickening.
A favorable way to proceed, wouldn't you agree?
Find a way out of here, quickly.
What about the other mouths?
Take a wild guess.
Ovdje ima čuvar. Aha, tako reći.
I can't feed on it!
Don't let him breathe!
Ovo nije bilo teško.
Every man for himself!
Ajde.
Well done, dear boy. Well done. Charles Darwin, Delighted to make your
Zabi.
acquaintance.
Jacob Fry. The pleasure's all mine.
While you were busy wreaking havoc, I found this. It indicates that a sample of every batch has been sent to Lambeth Asylum.
I wonder if it's visiting hours.
Don't be so hasty, Mr. Fry. Many people work at Lambeth. You wouldn't want to attract unwanted attention.
And what's the fun in that?
Not every problem can be solved by blowing things sky high. Sometimes a little discretion is in order. It's getting late. I will meet you at the asylum to continue our investigation.
Dobro, to je to.